Welcome back to my channel. My name is Harendra Sharma and once again I have come with a new video related to data engineering. I hope you liked my previous video. For those who have not watched my previous video so far, I recommend you to watch the video which gives the complete picture of data engineering. I have given the link of that video in the description of this video. I have already explained to you in previous video what skills are required for data engineering and how the data flows in the data pipeline from source to target. So friend, before doing any work, we first have to create a medium to do that work. What I mean to say, first of all, we have to do some setup and configuration in our local system which is necessary for data engineering. So guys, for data engineering task, it is mandatory to have a Python in our local system and an IDE is also necessary to do coding. Here IDE means integrated development environment, means an interface for coding like Visual Studio Code. So friend, in this video I will show you how to download and install Python and Visual Studio Code in local system and how to set up or configure it after installation. So download Python, we have to go to the browser and search the Python official site. So guys, before opening the browser, I need to set up the local system display setting to show the big screen or big font which will give you the clear visibility. So just right click on this, go to display settings, change the scale and layout 175%. You can see my screen size is big. So now I need to open a Google browser. So here I need to search Python official website, that is www.python.org. Once official site has been open, you need to go on downloads. You can see here downloads for Windows. Just below that you can see Python 3.11.5. Just click on this. Download has been start automatically. If you want to download the older version, just click on downloads. Scroll down, you can see the list of Python with versions and also release date. Just click on the download button. What you want to download, it will start downloading automatically. Open another tab to download Visual Studio Code. Just search the Visual Studio Code in a search bar. Press the enter. You can see the download option here. Just click on that. Here you can see the Visual Studio Code is for Windows. So just click on the Windows. It will start downloading automatically. Once Python and VS Code has been downloaded successfully, to install the Python, just double click on the Python file. You can see the installation windows. Just take out the add Python to path and click on the customize installation. Uh, you can see here all the option has been ticked out. Just click on next button. You can see here advanced options. You need to tick out the all option. After that you just need to click on install and wait for installation completion. So guys, once installation will be done successfully, you can see the successful message here. Setup was successful. Just close the installation window by clicking on the close button. Same way you can install the VS Code by double click on the VS Code file. Just take out the I accept the agreement and click on the next button. You need not to do anything here. Just click on next. You can see here some options. You need to take out the all. Make sure add to path has been ticked out. If not, then you need to tick this option mandatory. After that you need to click on next button and after that install. You can see installation has been started. Once installation done successfully, you can see the successful message, and after that you just uh, uncheck and close by click on finish button. After that you need to check the Python by opening the command prompt. Just write Python here and also then press enter. You can see the Python and also Python version here. Just close the command prompt, and now you need to open the Visual Studio Code. So you need to search the Visual Studio Code, press enter. You can see Visual Studio Code has been opening. Once Visual Studio Code opened, you can see in left side there is a 5 icon. First icon is for Explorer, means you have get the folder structure here and file structure here. Next icon is for search bar. You need to replace any word, then this icon is helpful for you. After that, you see the source control. This is for manage the code over cloud storage like GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket. Fourth option, you can see run and debug. This icon is for debugging the code. And you can see in last icon, this is for some extension software installation of VS Code that will help you to write code on easy way. You can see here the three dot, just click on here. You can see the terminal option, open the new terminal. So here you have a PowerShell only. So for a smooth running, you need to download the Git bash in your system. This will help you to manage the code in your system and also will give you the experience of Linux command. Just so again going to browser, just write Git here, press the enter. You can see the download for window. Click on this and you can download whatever your system specification, like 62-bit Git for Windows or 64-bit for Windows. I have a 64-bit computer, so I have already downloaded 64-bit. Just double click on the Git file. You can see the installation window of Git. You need not to do anything. Just click on next, 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 install. After installation successful, close the installation window by pressing the finish button. So now you need to close the VS Code and reopen the VS Code. You can see uh, Git bash here. So guys, from next video I will teach you Python for data engineer with example and use case. I think you would have liked this video. If yes, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friend. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon to enable notification of my new videos. Till then, bye. See you again with a new video. Thank you.